Hi cuties, let's make a yummy, healthy smoothie. But we're also gonna play a game. There's an ingredient in this smoothie, a mystery ingredient. One of the most important ingredients in the smoothie. I want you to think about what it could be. It's gonna be the last ingredient that we top off the smoothie with. It is so yummy and creamy and good for you. You are gonna guess what it is. Think about it. First thing you'll need to make your smoothie is a blender. But blenders are sharp, so make sure you're making your smoothie with your grown-up. Next thing we're gonna do is gather all of the ingredients, the fruits and the veggies. Don't worry, there's only one veggie. I bet I can guess some of your favorite fruits. My girls have a lot of favorite fruits, and they're 2 and 5 years old. I bet if you're watching this video that I have a good idea about what your favorite fruits and veggies could be. First veggie going in. Do you like this vegetable? It's green, it's floppy, kind of looks like a flower. It's spinach! Do you like spinach? No? You don't like spinach? Are you sure? Look at this, it's so fun. It's so flowery, it's so cool. It kind of takes spinach, 2 leaves, and it looks like a heart. If you don't like spinach, don't worry. You're not even gonna taste it. Maybe you don't like spinach, but I bet you like this next fruit. It's blue, it's round, it's so juicy. Oh my God, if you said blueberry, you're right. It is so cute. They are loaded with antioxidants and really powerful ingredients that make you really strong and healthy. We have 2 more fruits to add, but don't forget, are you thinking of the mystery ingredient? Do you want me to give you a clue? What is the mystery ingredient? The color of the mystery ingredient is white. You gotta wait till the end, that's all I'm gonna say. Next fruit, a tropical fruit. It's kind of prickly, like touch it, you're like, ah! This fruit is so tasty. Did you say pineapple? Look at this yellow sunshine goodness. This fruit rocks. In goes the pineapple. Amazing lineup in this smoothie right here. Last fruit. This might be your favorite fruit. It's so good to bake with. It's so good in our yummy healthy smoothie. Do you want to guess this fruit? Keep in mind, are you thinking of the mystery ingredient? This last fruit is yellow. It has brown spots on it. You peel it. It's probably like a 4 peel situation, and then you eat what's inside of the yellow peel. You want to guess what it is? Did you say banana? Look at this ripe, epic banana. 3 peels, and here we go. Into the smoothie. Bananas give you so much energy. Did you know that? Epic snack, epic ingredient in your smoothie. It's time for the mystery ingredient. It is packed with protein. It makes you strong. It gives you energy. It's white. It is creamy. Maybe you eat it in the morning for breakfast. Do you know what it is yet? Did you say Greek yogurt? If you said Greek yogurt, you're right. Look at this creamy goodness going in the smoothie. Not only is it healthy, but it's fun. Because you want to know what Greek yogurt does in a smoothie? It kind of makes it like it's a milkshake. A little fun, but also super healthy. Oopsie daisy, I forgot one more ingredient, super important. I love to put coconut water in our smoothies. I just give it a little swirl. Look what you made. If there's spinach, just forget it. Just ignore it. It's okay. There's spinach in it, but it's gonna be fine. There's blueberries, there's pineapple, banana, coconut water, Greek yogurt. Now take your blender top, ask your grown-up, because the next part is we're gonna blend it. And you definitely want a grown-up to help you blend it because blending is crazy. Pop on the cap, and now go blend your smoothie. Are you ready? Now, remember, blenders are super loud, so cover your ears if you have to, but they're also really fun. This is the best part. Your smoothie's almost done. Are you ready to turn it on? Go! This is gonna be so good! Look at this, you did it. Look at this color. It's purple from the blueberries. It is packed fruits, veggies, Greek yogurt. You did it. This smoothie is epic. It's such a good breakfast. It is such a good afternoon snack. After school, after the playground, after your nap. Get your favorite cup, pour it in. Ask your grown-up to help you because you don't want to spill it everywhere. It's gonna be such a yummy, healthy snack. I hope you enjoyed making a smoothie with me. I know you can do this. Get your lineup, get your fruits, get your veggies, and get out there and go make a smoothie. And I'll see you next time, cuties.